Hello and welcome back to the workshop build. Things are still in a state of disarray, it's fair to say. Still trying to make some worktops, finish off some carcasses for some cupboards and drawers. But in the meantime, I'm trying to get the quick wins out of the way. One of the things I am looking at doing is taking big chunky and heavy bits of kit, like this Clark thicknesser, and trying to see how I can make it more mobile. So I've got an old set of drawers from my last office. Height's nearly right, and I figured if I put them on some wheels, it'd make it nice and easy to roll them in and out as and when I needed them. First job is to take off the old feet. Don't want them dragging around as I'm trying to roll it about. Next job, some casters. Screw them all in place, equal distances from the side. Just doing a quick pilot hole and then in with the screw. And look at that, it rolls. We're halfway there. Good news is as well, I've not screwed drawers shut. Next up is mounting the planer, trying to get it somewhere central and then screwing it down. And then there we are, it's all nicely mounted. Working height's alright as well. I'll just give it a quick dry run. See you on the next one.